Indiana lawmakers are trying to end the state's emergency declaration over COVID-19. This as new cases continue to climb. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight live at 5. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Fanchon Stinger. So glad you're with us. The Indiana Department of Health is reporting about 3,200 new cases of COVID-19. Today's report is in line with the average recently, which has nearly doubled over the last month. Now, the positivity rate of COVID tests has also increased. We're sitting at about 10.8%, and 1,764 Hoosiers are currently in the hospital diagnosed with COVID-19. Indiana reports 51 more people have died from the virus in our state over the past 7 days.
Well, as those cases trend up, Indiana lawmakers are working on a proposal to end the COVID-19 public health emergency. They heard a lot of public comment about that proposal today going into the late afternoon hours. Fox 59 State House reporter Kristen Eskow sat in on that hearing. She explains what's in the plan and the very quick process being used to pass it.
Republican legislative leaders just unveiled a proposed preliminary draft of this legislation on Saturday, and it hasn't become a bill just yet. Still, they're looking to get this passed as soon as Monday, and the process and the proposal are drawing criticism from business leaders.
So that balance we have now between the business's right and individual's right come to what you see in this bill.
The proposal released Saturday by Republican legislative leaders would limit vaccine mandates by private employers. It doesn't ban them, but it does require employers to offer workers a weekly testing option in lieu of getting vaccinated. Under the proposal, employers would cover the cost of testing, not the employees. And an employee who complies with weekly testing cannot be reprimanded.
And I know people have said, well, we're coming back in January. It can wait till January. I'm telling you right now, I have people that are saying I'm on the chopping block.
Business leaders raise concerns about the proposal, noting the cost of testing to employers.
It significantly discourages employers from requiring vaccinations.
Democratic lawmakers question the process. Republican legislative leaders are calling the entire legislature back for a one-day session Monday to consider the proposal. That means the preliminary draft could be passed by the legislature in less than a week following a holiday weekend.
And I'm quite frankly concerned about why are we straying from the usual process that we engage in.
Governor Eric Holcomb announced last week he would end the public health emergency if the legislature met 3 conditions, including keeping federal benefits for SNAP and Medicaid programs and allowing the state health commissioner to allow pharmacists to provide the COVID vaccine to young children.
It means that this is part of the process. It means that this is the very beginning of the process. I understand this is atypical because it's such an accelerated process.
We also heard from some medical experts who expressed concerns about ending the public health emergency at this time. Right now, it's set to expire December 1st, but they warn COVID cases are going back up and some hospitals remain very busy. At the State House, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.
Kristen, thank you. The preliminary draft of the legislation would also expand medical vaccine exemptions to include pregnant women or women who may become pregnant, and would ban vaccine requirements by public universities like IU. We're getting more reaction to all of this. We'll have much more coming up Sunday on this week's edition of In Focus.